doing? How you doing? I hope you're doing well. I'm doing fantastic. Welcome again to another vlog. I'm Miss Furaha here. Make sure you join the squad, the Furaha squad, if you're new and if you're coming back to watch my video. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. So today is Sunday and I want to vlog for you guys. I just want to go do shopping. Yesterday, that was Saturday, I did my nail pamper vlog. Make sure you watch it. But I came late, so I didn't get the chance to even shop and do other things. But today is the day, so I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and if you do, give it a thumbs up and comment below. Let's get started. So I had quite a productive morning today. Like, I woke up, I didn't even imagine I will wake up early, but I woke up early and I made breakfast. Then I had someone to relax my hair, but I washed and dried it myself, and it's looking good. What do you think, guys? My hair has really grown. Look at that. Look at that. And my nails. You better go back and watch that vlog so that you know where to get such good nails. Like, it's just wow. So I'm going to do shopping, and again I'm going to do like a fridge organization. I've never done that video, and I just want to clean it and arrange it with you guys. So I hope you enjoy this. Let's get going. I have my hair, my bag. Never give up. I got this bag because I wanted like a grocery shopping bag, and I'm in this short dress, just a casual dress, by the way, really nice. And I'm going to wear my sandals and we are good to go. I'm really scared to vlog here because I'm just being known with my other job, not really vlogging, but I hope I pull it off, and I hope I don't get like people really don't want me to vlog in their space. So let's go, let's hope for the best. Yes. He's telling me I'm smart. And I'm so simple. Look at that. By the way, guys, I have my tray right here. I'm going to drop it like next shop here so that I can get eggs as I go to. I'm gonna pick them later. Yeah, so that's how big thing. Supermarket now. It's a mini supermarket. That's why I went to town to get the other things from Naivas. We don't have the big supermarkets here, so let me help her get something. So guys, I normally maintain my Royco container, then I just pick this sachet and just go and fill it in. It's a way of saving cash. It's a way of saving cash. You know, like you can get this for 130 and this one it's 100. So I get to save my 30 bob. That's a tip right there. Good to check the expiry dates of things, as you will be shocked. 2021 ketchup, 2021. So we good. Like they have all these things except soy sauce, guys. Like those are the things I really needed to do in town, but I didn't get the time to do so. So I don't know why nowadays I prefer these packets, because when you store the one that's in a tin in fridge, it kind of get dark. Just comment below if you have any hack for that. I would love to know. These are enough. I already have some cooking oil, so I'm just gonna add this one. I'm back home. The first thing I do is just remove this deposit and wash my hands, because that's how it's supposed to be. Okay, when you go out there, do your shopping, come home and just remove the mask deposit, wash your hands thoroughly, then proceed to sort out your shopping. You gotta stay safe. Okay, I need you. My hands are clean now, so let me proceed and show you what I got. So guys, this is what I got. Like, it looks like a mini supermarket in here. Just look at that.
Spinach.
What?
How much is this?
I just bought it there.
How much?
It's 10 bob.
10 bob.
Yeah.
1, 2. Meaning a kuzia fresh. Fresh.
You have fresh from where? Mbona ujaniambia? You should market yourself.
These ones, angalia. These ones. This.
You have them?
Yeah.
Then you say.
Yes, yeah. Lazima uwe na kitu ya kujitetea after all this.
Guys, I have my friend here. He's just joking around. He's just joking around. He's saying, after I eat all this is what I need to help myself. This is just so wrong. So wrong. Anyway, it might look much, guys, but if I do shopping like this is once for the whole month, and some of the things I didn't pick, like the cooking. So that is all I got. Let me just sort it out, then I'm going to move to cleaning the fridge and organizing, okay? But I'm going to sort it out, cook, and then we arrange the fridge, okay? Let's do that.
And then eat everything.
food for the week right there. So the next thing, I'm going to clean this up so that I can be able to arrange it. So I use sunlight, dishwasher. I use dishwash soap for cleaning. Right here. I find it comfortable for me to use that one rather than soap. So I use sunlight dishwash soap to clean. So I'm going to remove this. I think I'm going to wash them separately. Then I'm going to arrange it. It needs thorough cleaning, guys. Like, I don't know when was the last time I cleaned it. I'm washing this first, and then draining. I'm going to clean the fridge itself. It's been long since I do this. that's in here that I can't really remove and wash. And of course, using my sunlight. Sunlight, can you sponsor your girl, please? I really advertise them the way sana.
Sponsor your girl and your cameraman.
Guys, my friend is really joking a lot.
No, on the sponsorship part, I'm serious. Sunlight, don't listen to her. I'm serious. I wash my camera using sunlight.
You are going to do my voiceover one of these days. You hear? Do you know voiceover? Like I do makeup and you do the voiceover.
Yangu mimi nitafanya ya comedy. Utaisha kucheka.
Are you guys ready? He does my voiceover for a makeup tutorial. Comment below. Comments.
Girls only, please. Girls only.
He's single and such. But you don't want to be seen here.
Girls only.
You don't want to be seen so that you can be able to advertise yourself.
No.
Why?
The right one will find me.
Eish.
But do I say?
Anyway, guys, if you want such a fridge, it's a very nice fridge. Regarding that, I killed 2 birds with 1 stone. I have my dispenser and freezer and everything here. You can get it at Mombasa Zsun. Zsun Electronics. If you're in Mombasa, get yourself some. It's really good. It's called Hisense. Model is Hisense. Yeah?
Huko ndo nilinunua kamera yangu.
Which one?
Zsun. Kamera yangu.
They have really nice utensils. Better even my TV, I bought it there. Yeah.
Bila muhindi.
They really have nice utensils. And electronics. Electronics, I mean. What? This part was so dirty. So guys, this is my meal prep for the week. I have here some pilau, 2 containers. I have my mince meat there, have spaghetti, and I have beans. I'm going to cook rice during the week and some spinach. Then I'm gonna have it with these beauties like right here. Yes, so let's finish our fridge organization. Onto our food. This is my food for the week, and I normally like putting it right here, just next to the freezer right there. But not in the freezer because I'm gonna eat during the week anyway. So unless I'm putting something in the long run, I'm going to put it in the freezer. So here we go. So that's it, guys. That's how I basically organize my fridge. Yeah, if I have some wine, I normally put it there. And here you have some veggies, fruits, and then my food for the week. And I'm good to go. I'm good to go. That's it from me, guys. I'm so tired, but it was all worth it. I get to do everything this weekend. So right now, I just want to shower, take a hot shower, and just relax and be ready for tomorrow so that I can be able to work. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up and comment below. Yeah, do you love this kind of content? At least for this weekend, I've done all vlogs for you guys. Next, it will be the other content, you know. Sometimes I gotta let you in my space just a little bit, you know. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video. I look tired.